Governor J.B. Pritzker is now providing help for those devastated in Roanoke flooding back in July.
Zach Hatcher joins us now with how a new disaster relief loan can help in Woodford County. Zach.
Matt and Kimberly, property owners in Woodford County can now breathe a sigh of relief. Governor J.B. Pritzker authorized a disaster loan Thursday to cover expenses and structural damage. The loan covers both home and business owners' property and belongings. Nonprofits are also eligible. Roanoke's Mayor Michael Smith is thankful for the help.
Of the 151 or so structures in Roanoke that were impacted, this will be very, very good news. We're thankful for this.
If you were impacted by flooding, you can start your application by going to the link on our website, ciproud.com. Kimberly.